Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on how to use the Apple Passwords app on iPadOS 18. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With iPadOS 18, there is now a built-in password manager called Passwords. It is a very effective place to store and manage all of your passwords. It will also be on the new iOS 18 and Mac OS, so your passwords can be integrated between your devices. It is protected by Face ID, so your passwords are safe. When you open the Passwords app in the All section, you can see all of your saved passwords. Click on a password to open the information for it. You can tap on the password and tap Copy Password to copy the password to your clipboard. You can tap Edit in the top right to edit your password, and tap the Share icon to share your password via airdrop. You can search for passwords in the search bar at the top. If you tap on the arrows button in the bottom left, you can choose the order that passwords appear in. Tap the plus in the bottom right to add a new password. In the top left, you have different password categories, such as passkeys and codes. The Wi-Fi section is for all of your saved Wi-Fi passwords. You can tap on a Wi-Fi network to see the password for it. You can then copy and share the password. You can tap Show Network QR Code to show a QR code to enter the Wi-Fi password. With this QR code, anyone can point their device camera at the QR code to join a Wi-Fi network. If you tap the Security tab, you can see which password's security has been compromised. When you tap on a compromised password, you can choose to change it or hide the alert. The Delete tab will show your deleted passwords. If you tap the plus squares icon in the bottom left, you can create a shared password group. When you do this, you can have a folder of passwords that selected people can also view. Tap Continue. Create a name for the group. Then tap Add People. You can then add people from your contacts to the group. Tap Add in the top right when you have added everyone that you would like to the group. Tap Create. Then select the passwords that you would like to add to the group. You can use the search bar at the top to search for passwords. Tap Move to move the passwords to the password shared group. You can then tap Notify via Messages if you would like the group participants to be notified that they have been added to the group. You will find your shared groups under the Shared Groups heading on the left of the page. If you tap the plus icon in the bottom right, you can move passwords to the group from your passwords, or add new passwords to the group. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.